Hey guys, I'm Natalia and I'm with Mom's Dish. Typically, I'm here cooking, teaching my husband Tim how to cook, but today he's only gonna show up for a taste test. Let's get started. So today we're gonna be making Sharlotka, which is Eastern European apple pie. It is airy, fluffy, has only 4 ingredients, and I cannot wait for you guys to see this recipe. If you followed me for a while, you know I love simple few ingredient dishes. So this recipe is no different. We have just 4 apples. They're about medium size. You will need 3 eggs that are large in size, a cup of sugar, and some flour. And that's all you'll need. The magic comes together beautifully. First thing you need to do is peel these apples and slice them into small chunks, and we'll just set that aside for now. Now that my apples are cut up, what I'm gonna do is spray my 9-inch baking pan with some, I use coconut oil. It really doesn't matter what kind of oil you use. So I'll go ahead and spray it, and we'll put all the apples into the pan and make sure that everything stays non-sticky. Now the apples will go in and we will work on the batter. I'll go rinse off my hands and we'll go to the next step. For this step, I'm actually using my hand mixer. You can use a stand-up mixer, it'll probably make your life quicker and easier, but either way, it will work still. So what we're gonna do right now is put sugar in here, which is a cup of sugar, and then we're gonna crack 3 eggs into the mix. Now what I'm gonna do is on high speed, I will mix this up until the mixture about triples in size. It's gonna be airy and fluffy, you'll see. So we'll start slowly and then speed up the process a little more. Okay, now this is done, and we will slowly and gently fold in flour. So what I do is I fold it in carefully, that way we don't break down the egg mixture with the sugar. So let's add in a little bit. Actually, you know what? Let's do all of it. Let's do all of it and I'll show you the trick. So you wanna be gentle with the flour. So the way you do it is you scrape the sides and you fold it. This way you don't lose any of the fluffiness, but you are gentle. You can also, if you're like making this for the first time ever, you can also do flour in portions. That way you don't have to mix it too much at a time and keep the fluffiness. So the next step, what I'll do is put this cake batter over the prepared apples, and we will shake it up just slightly so the cake batter flows between the apples, and we'll set it in the oven and we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna spread the top on here, that way it's completely even, and we'll slightly shake it, just a little bit. So now what we're gonna do is pop this in the oven for 40 minutes at 350, and we're ready for some coffee with Tim. Tim decided to show up, you guys. Now that I'm all done, he's like, I'm here.
That's right.
He's here for the good stuff.
It's a lot easier this way.
For sure. So I'm gonna show you the last trick, and then we're gonna make sure that Tim gives us an honest opinion. You can't say it's not good, but you have to be still honest.
I do like this type of dish, so probably will like it.
Okay, so you want to run a knife around the sides, just like this, so you can take the cake out of the pan easily. And then mine just pops open on the sides like this, so there you go.
Sweet.
And then I'm gonna run the knife underneath it so we can just lift it easily. We have a lot of apples underneath. I'm gonna dust it up a little bit on top. Just for the looks. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. It's super airy already. Fluffy. I'm excited. I hope you love it. Well, I made this before. I think you like it. Smells so good too.
Smells very
Okay.
good.
You go first. I'm gonna slice myself a piece.
Careful with
It's
that
still
knife.
steaming. I'm actually cutting myself a bigger piece. Seriously, this piece looks so huge. I think I'm gonna do half of it. That way I don't look greedy. And then later on, I'll eat the other half. Go for it.
Ready? Okay, here it goes.
So, as I hope you can see this, but it's super airy, fluffy, chunks of apples. You love it?
Love it.
Okay.
Love it and scared because I have a feeling we're gonna be finishing up the cake in no time.
You guys, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed having Tim here for a few minutes. I always like having him around.
Aw, this is so
Subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. When I hear from you, me and Tim will go ahead and enjoy this, maybe watch some Netflix and chill.
sounds good. Yeah. Let us know what else you'd like to see. We'll do those videos. And because we're having a little bit of fun,
Yeah, this is fun.
get a little reward. So hopefully you guys like it.
All right, bye.